Rochelle knows firsthand the value of an LVI smile.
I've always loved life, but when you have something hindering you so much, it's really hard to be fully who you are. And I'm finally the woman who I've always wanted to be. And the only regret I have is not doing it 20 or 30 years ago. And I love smiling now. In fact, I have new laugh lines that I'm thinking, I've never had smile lines before. And I got smile lines, and it's all from smiling the last year. So it's pretty awesome. You know, since I was a child, I had a bad smile. It was embarrassing. It was very uncomfortable. I spent a lot of time like this, or finding ways to, avoid direct contact with people. Pretty much if you could find a picture of me, it was always with my mouth closed. I would never exaggerate my smile whatsoever. Any value I've put into it, or finances I put into it, has been worth every penny. I'm a new person. I would have never been able to live the life I'm living now with the way I was feeling.
Go get it!
If I could drag everybody I knew in there that needed to go to a dentist, I would, because they would not believe the rewards. Your whole life is different. It's nothing like what it was. When I got all this done, I actually lost 40 pounds because I had developed so much of my and it was just an inner confidence. It was like I deserved to be able to lose that 40 pounds. Getting a smile back does amazing things to you. And I don't hesitate anymore doing things like I used to because I was worried about my smile. I'm just Rochelle again. It's a pretty good feeling. You can go on diets, you can change your hair color, you can change your clothes, but you can't change your smile by yourself. So you need to find someone that can do that for you. If there's anybody who never wanted to go, I'd walk in there with them. If anybody was afraid, I'll say, I'll hold your hand and get you in that dentist. To let somebody else have that same joy that I've been given, I'd be happy to do it in a heartbeat.